microscope. Let's zoom in and see what's inside. Before that, let's see what's this. This is the light. The light shine from here and here. This is the frequency. Zoom in and out. This is a quick introduction. Let's zoom in and see what this is. The science inside of pencil ink. Let's change the frequency and see in. What's this? It looks nice, right? But what's that?
Let's make it even more clearer.
Let's make it even more clearer. What's this? This is the science inside a pencil ink.
Pencil lead graphite.
Pencil lead ink.
Graphite.
Hey, stop moving it. We have changed the microscope times to 100 times.
No, this paper. You're shining it. This is the right one.
It looks like that in 100 times. Now let's see. Zoom in and see 200 times. Now we have to zoom in to 200 times. How does it look like? This is a 200 times. We pause the video and we settled something. Just don't bother what we settled. But this is a 200 times. Let me change a little bit of the frequency. How does this look like? And I zoom it in. This is a pencil thing. What's this? Now let's zoom back to 50 and let's zoom out and see what's outside. Okay. Now we have reached the 50 times. Let's change light and see what happens. What does this look like? Remember this in your mind. Now we will change the light. How does it look same?
We changed it
back to this. How does it look? Let's change the frequency and see. What does this look like? This is the size.
Now we will be changing it to 200 times. 100 times.
We have changed to
100 times.
100 times. How does this look like in the microscope? We are using a super cool vision from this, remember in your mind, to this. How does it look like?
Now we'll be changing.
You can pause this video and see from this. Now you can pause the video to this. You can pause the video and see. You can use your phone and take pictures. How does it look the same? And you take the two back to. You can see what's the difference. Now we will be changing to 200 times. Now we have reached the size of bringing in. Remember this? You can pause this video and we'll change the light. How does these two look the same? You can take picture of these 6 pictures and you can see what are the difference. Back to the same topic.
Thanks for watching.
No, not thanks for watching. We'll be back to the microscope. We'll be back here. How does this microscope looks like? If you like, you can buy it at Science Center. It costs Yeah, buy at Science Center. It costs $85.55. I don't know how expensive it will become more, but go there early. See you.